Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Revlon Long Lasting Waves Jumbo Waver. I've literally seen everybody have like that crimped hair back, and like I am absolutely obsessed with it, so I wanted to order one off Amazon and give it a try on camera. So if you guys want to see how well this works, then please keep watching. So I got this off Amazon. It was $17. I got it on Prime Day. It was like an additional 20% off. I think it's like originally $22 and it came to like $17, maybe $18. I will post the link of it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I've literally seen everybody like crimp their hair. I guess like that's really what it's called. It's called crimping their hair, but now it's like, I guess it's called like jumbo waves or something. I've seen SMLX0, I've seen Carly Bible, Desi Perkins. I've seen so many people have like these really pretty waves, and I wanted to try it out. And I asked you guys on my Instagram stories if you guys wanted to see a review, and so many people said yes. So yeah, so I already have it plugged in, getting heated up. This is what it looks like. It is very big. I'm actually kind of nervous. I was like testing it out before it was hot, and it's like kind of a little hard, but we're gonna try it out together. I am first going to brush my hair, and I'm gonna just pull that out. Alrighty, so we are first going to start. This is what it looks like. And it goes up to, there's 30 heat settings. It says 420 degrees high heat for faster styling. Let's just try it out. So this is by Revlon. So we're gonna just take a piece, we're gonna take these hoops out so they don't distract us. All right, so we're gonna take a piece and we're just gonna put it in and hold it. I don't know how long. I'm gonna let go. Let me just see what it looks like. Alright, so I think we need to hold it longer. Did I mess this up already? Like I ruined it? Did I ruin everyone's mood? Alright, let's do this again. It's like making a noise, like a buzzing noise. Alright, now we're gonna move it down. It's like, I don't know if you guys could hear that. It's making a buzzing noise. And one more. I guess it's kind of hard to see because it's like one little piece. Oh, but you can see it. That's actually really pretty. All right, let's take another piece. I have to like hold it like this. It's so, because it's so, I don't think you guys realize how big this thing is. And this buzzing noise is like freaking me out. You know what it is? The noise that it's making, it's like making me scared. Like I don't know why it's making that noise. We're gonna grab another piece as that's going and keep it going. I really like hate it. Like I don't like it at all. You think this piece is too thick for the next one? I don't think so. We're gonna do it anyways. I mean, as much as I love like the waves and stuff, this like tool is like really big and like hard to work with, I feel like. Where did the sun just go? I feel like it just got really dark. Like I feel like it looks so dark in the viewfinder. My hand is starting to cramp. Not even kidding. looks really good so far, actually. I feel like over here, I feel like this side looks better than this side. I feel like you could see it more with my highlights. Let's brush it out. All right, now let's start with the front. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Why does that look better than the bottom piece? Dude, that looks so good. I feel like that I look like a different human. I don't know why. Like, I'm so used to either just straightening it or just like curling it, like my ends and stuff. Like, I feel like I look like a different person. Dude, guys, I am literally loving it now that it's in the front and you could see it more. So this is the last piece. I am so obsessed with my hair. Like, I feel like I look like a different person. Hope you flip it up too. I don't know if I like that. I'm not gonna put any hairspray or anything because I hate hairspray. And anyone who says, oh, this hairspray is not sticky, it always is sticky. Always. I just went and took so many selfies. I don't think you guys understand like how obsessed I am. Like, I literally feel like I look like a new person. But let's get into my final thoughts on the Revlon Long Lasting Waves Jumbo Waver. Let's just start off by saying I spent $17 on this and my hair looks really good. I don't know how it'll be because I usually flip my hair. Let's see how it looks. Wow. It still looks really good flipped, but definitely better flatter. So I definitely like this. I think it was, I'm dropping everything. It was definitely inexpensive. I only spent $17. That's super inexpensive for Hot Tools, like any, not Hot Tools the brand, but like any type of like a hot tool. I feel like that's super inexpensive because, you know, straighteners, blow dryers, everything like that. Oh my god, I thought this wasn't recording for a second. Everything like that I feel like is super expensive, like 50, sometimes even 100, sometimes even more than 100. Like I was at Ulta and I saw a blow dryer for $200. Like that to me is insane. So this for $17 and I was able to get this hairstyle. I mean, I think it's kind of a steal. It definitely is time consuming and I feel like at first when you use it, it will be like a little bit uncomfortable just because like I don't think you guys realize like how big this actually is. It is very, very large and in charge and it's hard to actually hold it. I feel like oh, it's easy to hold like this, but then when you have to open it, your fingers, you can't like open it really, like without, I can't explain it, like, so that's why like I was like holding it like this, so I was able to hold it still while having a finger to open and close. My whole hand, like it was hard to actually hold it to put, you know what I'm saying? Like it was a struggle, but you know, I definitely still think it's worth it. My hair looks incredible. I'm really curious to see how long this is going to last because my hair is naturally straight, so usually curls and everything just come right out, but this I feel like it's not going to because it's not like an actual curl where like when you curl it and you have like straight hair, the curl will make it fall. Like this was just like crimped. So I feel like it's gonna last, and like, guys, so good. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I am feeling myself too much right now. But yeah, that is my final thoughts on the Revlon Jumbo Waver. And also this video is more also a tutorial rather than just a review, because I wanted to try any type of tool that will give me beachy waves, and I went on Amazon and this was the cheapest. So that's why I did order this one. There's no specific reason why I got the Revlon one. It's just because it was the cheapest. I'm sure all of them are just as good, but I mean, if I can spend the cheapest and still have really nice waves, then I'm gonna go for that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys did and you guys enjoy hair tutorials, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I post so many videos, so many giveaways, and so many reviews. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.